Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Job channel and BIS form filling video 2022. So just now I uploaded a notification video. If you didn't watch, then definitely you can watch. Okay, the link is given in comment section. The post is GET and all engineering branches are eligible for this. Okay, now just see this video properly and fill your form with zero error so that you will not face any difficulty in document verification. This is which is very much important. Salary is 6 lakh per annum approximately and form last date is 27th of August 2022. Okay, other important details I already shared in notification video, so definitely I will not again share that in this video. Directly we will discuss about form filling. Before going to form filling, what are the documents which are required to upload? Okay, so first SSC certificate you will upload, then 12th and diploma. If you did your 12th, then 12th certificate is required. If you did your diploma, then diploma certificate is required. Bachelor's certificate is required. Okay, and if master's is there, then you can upload master's certificate also. Okay, definitely those who already done their masters, you will get advantage over other the candidate. Okay, photo which should be recent photo. Okay, try to upload recent one only. Then signature in black ink you will upload. Then date of birth certificate. Definitely if you don't have a date of birth certificate, then some options are also available. I will share it with you later. And Aadhaar card, okay, or any other ID proof is required. Now let's start our form filling. So when you will click on the link which I given you in the comment section, this page will get open. Here you need to first mention your salutation, okay, that is Mr. and Mrs. Then put your name here, then email ID and mobile number. Okay, just put here this verification code here and click on submit button. After this you will get user ID and password on your email ID, okay, and your mobile number. In message you will get this. So then click on sign in button. Enter your user ID or email ID or mobile number here, then click on continue. Then enter your password here, okay, and click on just login button. You can log in via OTP also, no problem in that. Okay, so just change your password and then again click on login button. So this screen will get open. Now here just click on recruitment application. Okay, now you can see the active recruitments. So first ScientisB recruitment is there. Okay, I will attach a notification video of this video also, so that you will get proper information regarding ScientisB recruitment. Actually this recruitment is through GATE exam, and this is our recruitment, that is GET, that is graduate engineers, okay, without GATE exam. So I will click on this recruitment. The procedure again is same for ScientisB also. So I will definitely, if you see this, then definitely it will be easy for you to apply for ScientisB also. Okay, and obviously if you have any query, then you can comment down below. I will definitely happy to help you. Here click on application form and apply for graduate training. Okay, now here just put your full name. Okay, full name should be there, then your father's name, mother's name, and this should match with your SSC certificate, so don't forget this, very important. Then select your gender here. Okay, from here you can select your gender. Then religion you can select from here. Then your marital status also you can select from here. Then select date of birth. Okay, email ID obviously it will get auto populate here, which you given at the time of registration. Mobile number also you can give here. Are you Indian citizen? So yes. Aadhaar number you need to enter here. Okay, activity which is by default this. Okay, then your permanent address. So enter here your permanent address properly with pin code, city and state. Okay, and if it is same as your correspondence, then definitely just click on here, click to copy. So all the data will get populated here. Okay, then click on simply save and next. Again just verify and then click on save and next. Okay, so we got message that form data is saved successfully. Click on OK. Now second thing, here now you will enter your 10th qualification or examination pass, that is your board name, then your school name. Okay, then your year of passing, that we will select from here, from this drop down. Then just click what percentage you got in your 10th. Okay, then you need to upload your certificate, which is important, and maximum size should be 1 MB. So here you need to upload your 10th certificate. Similarly for 12th or diploma. Okay, similarly for graduation, if you did your master's degree, then definitely here. If you did your PhD or any other thing, any other degree, if you have additional degree, then you can enter. Okay, so this will give you advantage over all the candidates. If you did any other course or anything, you can also mention that. There is no problem in this. Next is BIS region. So as in notification video also, what I told you, that you can apply to only one region. Okay, so here you can see what region are there: Western, Eastern, Southern, Central, Northern. Suppose I click on Western. Okay, here I will give now preference wise posting for my posting. So suppose I want first number Mumbai, then I want second number Surat, then I want Nagpur, suppose third. Okay. So first preference I will get in Mumbai. Now again, this is not compulsory that you will get this job locations. Again, it depends on BIS. Okay, whether requirement is there or not, or lots of things are there. So just it is not like if you are selecting then you will get. Okay. So this thing also you should keep in your mind. Next, you need to upload your photo here. Okay, size and everything is given already. Signature, your ID proof. Okay, now in ID proof you can upload PAN card also, passport also, or your Aadhaar card also. Then your date of birth certificate. Now some candidate don't have date of birth certificate, so directly you can upload your 10th certificate. Okay, which on which your date of birth is mentioned. Then Aadhaar card also you can upload, PAN card also, etc. Okay, and Aadhaar card separately you need to upload here, and just click on save and next button. Okay, so next you will get your preview of your application form, where you will get your application number, application name, your photo, then your signature, mother's name, mobile name, etc. Just scroll down. So done with your application. Now here, from here you can download your application. So just download now, because at the time of DV many candidates forget to download their application and definitely they will face difficulty. So it's better to download now only. Okay, just make one folder on your PC and just save that. Okay, just put your file name BIS and properly save the things. Also you can take printout of this. So I hope now the process is clear, that how you can fill the form of BIS properly. Okay, if you have any single query also, then please feel free to comment down below. Definitely I will help you. For scientist B also you can comment, or for GET also you can comment. Okay, but don't fill the form blindly or with a single doubt in your mind. Definitely that will create a problem in the future. Okay, so subscribe to the channel. Also I will request you to share to all the candidates, especially those who are in age of 30, 31, 29, 28, because this opportunity can give them or can give their life a different direction. Okay, and they will definitely, you will get lots of blessing, and just because of this video they will do their something in their life. Okay, so just share to all your friends and families, those who are those who want to apply in BIS as a scientist B also, or as a GT also, because the age limit is 35 years. Okay, and have any query, have any doubt, just feel free to comment down below. And yes, I will meet you in the next video. Now in the next video we will discuss everything related to your preparation, everything. Okay, and how you can get the job in BIS. So signing off, and I will meet you in the next video. All the best.